So what we are going to do next is to do a local blast. Okay, so we need to create a database. So this is what we are going to do. Now we have our sequence. Okay, there's a whole genome sequence. Okay, so what we are going to do is to create a blast database using the sequence. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. We are going to generate a blast database on our local machine. We already have a data on our machine, so we generate a blast database. Now this is a nucleotide sequence. All right, so with blast, the database that you create, you need to specify. Okay, so I'll show you all that anyway, but just note that creating a blast database for protein sequence is different from creating a blast database for nucleotide sequence. But what we have here is a nucleotide sequence, so I'll show you how to do that. So again, let me go over. I now have my sequence data, which is nucleotide sequence. So I'm going to generate my blast database. So that's what I'm going to do. So to create a blast database, we say make blast db. Okay, and then we say dash in, and then we specify everything we need to specify. That's what we need to do. Okay, but I want us to do this first. I think it's important. I want us to assign this file here to a variable. So I'll first say FASTA file equals, and I'll say genome/agy99.fasta. I just want to assign this to a variable so that I can make reference to it. All right. So now I'll do this. I'll say make blast db, and I'll say dash in. Okay, dash in, and then I'll say, I'll do this. I'm going to do this. I'll say $FASTA file, because that's the file I'm using. Okay, because I already assigned that variable. Okay, and then I'll do this. I'll type space, and after typing space, I'll specify some additional options. Okay, so I have it here. That's going to be dash db type, that database type. I made mention of it. So there's nucleotide, so NuCl. Right, so this is how we create a blast database, okay, locally on our machine. Okay, so we first need to get our file, ideally a FASTA file. Then we call make blast db dash in to specify the file, and then dash db type we specify. Here it's nucleotide. So let's execute this command. Perfect. So once we do it, if everything is okay, and you see the statement here. Okay, so this tells you that everything has been done. So this comparatively a small genome. Okay, so it shouldn't take much time when you are generating the blast database. So now we have generated a blast database. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Or even if we don't need to clear, so if you do an ls into genome, let's do it this way. You are going to see additional files generated. Okay, so we have our file ag100FASTA and other files. These files have different extensions. So we have this, all of them are here. So these are the additional files that will be generated. I repeat, these are the additional files that will be generated when you create a blast database, okay, using a FASTA file. So now that we have everything here, we are ready to go. So we have successfully created our blast database locally on our machine. So let's proceed.